Hi everybody, I'm Rich Woods and welcome to the Darby Garage. The Darby Garage is bringing you a real 138 VIN SS 1968 Chevelle Convertible. It's had a complete frame-off nut and bolt restoration. The engine is a correct 396 rebuilt to factory specs. Transmission is a Turbo 400 completely rebuilt. The rear differential is a 12-bolt with 331 posi. Factory 14-inch rally wheels and the factory SS stripes. Inside the vehicle, parchment interior, buckets, console. This rare 1968 Chevelle SS is a very low production, one of only 2,200 made. This 68 Chevelle SS 396 convertible will be sold at Barrett-Jackson, Las Vegas, Friday, September 28th, car number 488.
Thanks for watching Darby Garage. This is what's in our garage. What's in yours?